Namaste everyone and welcome to my channel Grihalo. Today we'll be discussing about a very important topic, a fear that people have in their mind with respect to Saturn. Is it a good planet? Is it a bad planet? A lot of misconception is there in people's mind with respect to Saturn. It delays things. It is a planet of misfortune. It gives you a lot of health troubles, so on and so forth. See again, there is no planet which is good. There is no planet which is bad. Every planet is doing or giving the result where it is sitting. It all depends on the placement of a particular planet. Wherever the planet is sitting, it will give result as per its placement. There are places in the horoscope where Saturn is exceptionally good. There are places in the horoscope where Saturn is not considered to be that good. So you will get the results accordingly. So there are so many instances I know people have become multi-millionaires in their Dasha of Saturn, or which have a very prominent Saturn, and they rose to absolute heights. But yes, there is one thing that people need to remember with Saturn. With Saturn, you surely get results, but you have to work a little bit harder. Saturn is also the karka for discipline. Saturn is also the karka for your entire karmas that you do in life. So it moves a little bit slowly. Its speed is the slowest in the entire ecosystem of planets. It takes 2.5 years to cover one Rashi, whereas all the other planets do not take more than a year to cover a single Rashi. So in case of a Jupiter, it takes 1 year. In case of Mars, it takes roughly about 40-45 days. In case of Mercury, Sun, so all are lesser than that. So you have to understand this with Saturn, that everything comes with patience. But yes, Saturn is actually a kingmaker. So if you have a good placement of Saturn in your chart, be rest assured, you will be successful. You will walk your way to the glory.